In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you an unconventional way to earn up to $800 in just 4 hours while using your own vehicle. What's great about it is this side hustle holds great potential to make you a substantial amount of money, especially during the upcoming holiday season. Guys, this is something you're going to want to hop on quick before it becomes oversaturated. If you're not aware of it, there are literally thousands of bags that are misplaced in airports every day, and the airline will store the luggage in a storage facility or warehouse. Usually, they will reach out to a third-party delivery service company, and these companies turn around and hire independent contractors to deliver the lost luggage. So then, as an independent contractor, you do not actually work for the company, but you work for yourself and you are your own boss, right? Therefore, you will have lots of benefits because you can make your own schedule and flexible working hours, and that way you can earn as much money as you want. So stay tuned as I share the details you need to get started. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend, and I'm thrilled to welcome you back to my channel. If you're new here, a warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family to support my channel's growth in the YouTube algorithm. On this channel, we explore various ways to make money, especially online, and build wealth. If you're interested in these topics, you're in the right place. I recently stumbled upon a fascinating article where an individual made $800 in just 4 hours by delivering lost airport luggage. Intrigued by the idea, I delved deeper to find out if this is a viable opportunity for everyone. The exciting part is that very few people are aware of this, making it a potential goldmine. So let's dive into the details before the opportunity becomes oversaturated. Did you know that thousands of bags go missing in airports daily? When these lost items are located, typically at the most inconvenient times during your travels, airlines store them in warehouses. They then reach out to third-party delivery services, which in turn hire independent contractors like you and me to make the delivery. As an independent contractor, you're your own boss, which means you have the freedom to set your own schedule and determine how much you want to earn. But let's get into how this process works. Once the delivery company has the traveler's information and you've selected the areas you're willing to drive to, the company assigns specific luggage to you. You'll then head to the storage facility, load up your vehicle with the assigned luggage, and make the deliveries, all while getting paid. Being a luggage delivery courier is somewhat similar to Uber, but instead of dealing with people, you're handling luggage. Surprising, many people prefer this rather than interacting with passengers, each to their own right. Now then, you might be wondering about the requirements to get started. These can vary slightly between companies, and there are some common prerequisites. Typically, you need to be at least 18 years and have a smartphone to use the necessary app for tracking deliveries and routes. Some companies may have specific vehicle year requirements, while others are more flexible. However, keep in mind that delivering luggage on a motorcycle is usually not an option. Most companies accept vehicles like cars, SUVs, minivans, trucks, and even box trucks. Larger vehicles can provide more earning opportunities. Let's talk money, which is the exciting part. Your earnings can vary depending on the number of deliveries, the size of each delivery, the distance you need to drive, and other factors. In most cases, you'll receive a flat rate for each delivery and may also receive tips from customers. However, not everyone tips, so your total earnings can fluctuate fluctuate. One company you can work with is Express Bag, although it's currently only available in Texas. But I've done some research to find other luggage delivery companies that are actively hiring. Let's take a look at a few options. Number one is GoShare. GoShare is a bit more demanding when it comes to vehicle requirements. Your vehicle should be 2001 model or newer and pass an inspection. You'll also need an iPhone or Android device, a checking account for direct deposit, a valid driver's license, registration, and insurance in the state where you operate. Vehicle size will influence your earnings. With a car, SUV, or minivan, drivers make around $45 per hour, and pickup trucks earning approximately $70 per hour. Number two is Reliable Courier. This company not only delivers luggage but also other items, creating more earning opportunities for you. Their specific requirements are not detailed in their application, but they will ask you about your vehicle type, availability, and your ability to lift up to 50 pounds. You'll need a valid driver's license, current registration, and insurance with your name on policy. Expect a background check and drug screening. Number three is Senpex. This company requires you to be at least 18 years old and have 2 or more years of driving experience. They may not specify vehicle requirements, but during the application, they'll ask for your driver's license, social security number, proof of insurance, and vehicle information. Be prepared for a background check. Senpex offers a flat rate of $28 per hour, and you can also receive tips. It's worth noting that you won't be reimbursed for gas, so factor that into your decision when choosing a company and route. These companies often deliver more than just luggage, which can increase your income opportunities. I want to mention a couple more companies that are worth exploring. Bags Inc. is one of them, though they provide limited information about their requirements. The application process is straightforward, mainly focusing on your driving locations. Lastly, consider Driver.Roadie, known for its simplicity and the option for daily payment. While the pay may be slightly lower than some other companies, it's easier to get started with fewer requirements and no minimum vehicle standards. Guys, I hope this information helps you kickstart your journey into making money by delivering lost luggage. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and let us know about your experiences when you start earning with this unique side hustle. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye for now.